Myself, Dr. Raman Chetty, Professor in AJIT Civil Department, Mangalore. We will go for geodetic survey. Second important question. Okay, I will explain the second important classification of triangulation system. The basic classification of triangulation figures is accurately will be which length and azimuth of the line of triangulation are determined. The classification of triangulation into different types known as order of triangulation. Essential principle remaining same for different types of triangulation, but they differ only for accuracy stated for the work. Triangulation system different accuracy depend upon the extent of the purpose of survey. The accepted grade of triangulation are first order or primary triangulation, second order or secondary triangulation, third order or tertiary triangulation. Now we go for the first order triangulation. Okay, first order triangulation. First order triangulation is the highest order and it is employed either to determine the earth figure or to furnish the most precious control point which is secondary triangulation may be connected. The primary triangulation system embraces the vast area, usually whole to the country. Okay, every precaution is taken to making the linear and angular measurement and in performing the reduction. Now we go for the second order or secondary triangulation. Secondary triangulation consists of number of points fixed within the frame of primary triangulation. The station are fixed close interval so that the size of the triangulation form smaller than the primary triangulation. The instrument used to are not at the same almost the uh, refinement. Okay. Now third order triangulation. We go third order, first order, second order, third order. Okay. Third order triangulation consists of number of points of fixed within the frame of the secondary triangulation and form intermediate control to detailed engineering other survey. The size of the triangulation are small and instrument with the moderate precision may be used. Okay, this is about third one. Now we go for the their comparison. Okay, specification for the different types of the triangulation. Sorry, specification of the different types of the triangulation. Specification. Okay. First one primary triangulation, secondary tertiary. Okay, third order triangulation. First average triangulation closure less than 1 second. Okay, this is 3 second, this is 6 second. Okay, secondary 3 second, tertiary territory 6 second. Next one, maximum triangle closure. Okay, maximum triangle closure specification not more than 3 second, 8 second, 12 second, not more than 8 second, 12 second. Okay, next specification length of the baseline 5 to 15 kilometer, 1.25 kilometer, 0.23 kilometer. Length of the sides of the triangle 30 to 150 kilometer in primary triangulation is the bigger size. Okay, 8 into 65 kilometer in a secondary, 1.5 into 10. Okay, actual error of the base 1 into 3 lakh, 1 into 1 lakh 50,000. Okay, 1 in 75,000. Okay, error actual error base of the base in a primary triangle is 1 in 3 lakh, 1 in 3 lakh, sorry, 1 in 3 lakh. Secondary triangulation 1 in 1 lakh 50,000. Okay, territory triangulation 1 in 2 lakh 50,000. Okay, dispensary between the two measure of the section now 10 kilometers. Okay, this is 20 kilometer. Okay, kilometers. Okay, in territory 25 kilometer. In the primary 10 kilometer. In secondary triangle 20 kilometers. Territory triangle 25 kilometer. Okay. Now next we go for probable error. Okay, error in the this one. Okay, probable error on the computed distance. Okay, 1 in 60,000 to 1 in 2,50,000. Okay, 1 in secondary this one, 1 in 20,000 to 1 in 50,000. Okay, in 1 in 5,000 to 1 in 20,000 net error. Okay, probable error of or computed distance 1 in 60,000 to 1 in 2,50,000 in a primary triangulation, 1 in 20,000 to 1 in 50,000 in secondary triangulation, 1 in 5,000 to 1 in 20,000 in tertiary triangulation. Okay, probable angle error in azimuth, astronomic azimuth. Okay, astronomic azimuth. Uh, 0.5 second in a primary triangulation, 2 seconds in secondary triangulation, 5 seconds in tertiary triangulation. This is the classification of the different types of the triangulation. Primary triangulation, secondary and tertiary. This is the primary triangulation is a major role. Okay, large distance and good accuracy. Okay. Now we go for the size and shapes of the triangle. Okay, size of the sides of the triangle depend upon the many factors. While larger triangle is reduce the cost of the survey, many ground factors limit the maximum site that can be used. The size are limited in invertible of the station, in invisibility, invisibility of the station. It may be assumed that the equilateral triangle with the equal sides and angles would be the best choice for the shape of the triangle. In principle, the shape of the triangle be such that the size of the triangle computed with the measured angle are the least affected by the error in angle. The triangulation should be located so that no angle is less than 30 degree and more than 120-degree size and the shape of the triangle. Okay, the triangulation station should be located at no angle less than 30 degree and more than 120 degree. This is very important. Okay, so size of the sides of the triangle depend on many factors. While larger triangle reduce the cost of survey, many ground factor maximum size may be used. Okay. Now we go for the strength of the figure. In a triangulation system, the baseline and the angle of the triangle is forming the system are measured. These are the subjects of error are computed length of the sides of the many errors because of error in the measurement. Triangulation system may be such that the length of the sides can be computed by going through the many paths of the triangulation system. It is important choice the path that gives the least error. The length of the figure of the triangulation system may be defined as number that gives the least error of the computed length of the last line of the system due to the shape of the composition. The figure. Okay, in the length of the triangle, in the strength of the triangle, okay, in triangulation system, baseline and the angle of the triangle forming the system are measured. These are subjected to error and computed the length of the sides of the error because of error in the measurement. Triangulation system may be such that length side can be computed by going to the path of the triangulation system. It is important to choose the path gives the least error. The strength of the error of the triangle may be the number of gives least error computed length. Now question, we go for important question. Okay, question 3. Uh, Routine of triangulation survey, how we will do the survey in the geolytic for everything detail. We will study this part. Okay, routine of triangulation survey broadly classified field work and competition. Okay, field work and competition. Okay, two types, Field work of the triangulation is divided into following operation: reconnaissance, okay, erection of signals and tower, measurement of baseline, measurement of horizontal. Is a very important reconnaissance. Okay, erection of signals and tower, measurement of baseline, measurement of horizontal angle. Okay, uh, and measurement of vertical angle, astronomical observation to determine the azimuth line. There are six types. Okay, reconnaissance, erection of the signals and tower, measurement of baseline, measurement of horizontal angle, measurement of vertical angle, astronomical observation to determine the azimuth angle of the baseline. Okay, now reconnaissance. Okay, this is the recognized primary preliminary field inspection to entire area to be covered by the triangulation and the collection of prevalent data. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Since the basic principle of the survey working hold two part, recognition is very important of in all the types of survey. It requires great skill, experience, and judgment. Okay, accuracy and economy of the triangulation greatly depend upon the proper recognition. Okay, it includes the following observation: examination of terrain is surveyed. Okay, selection of suitable site for the measurement of baseline, determination intervisibility of the triangle station, selection of consequently well-defined natural point to be used in intersected point. Okay, collection of miscellaneous information regards access of various triangulation. Okay, various triangulations, transport facility, availability, food and factor. Okay, this is a very important. Requirement may be effective carried of accurate topography map are available. The map aerial photography not available. The rapid primary recognition undertaken. A certain general possible schemes of the triangulation suitable topography. Later on, the main recognition done, examine the scheme. The main recognition is very tough triangulation. Okay, where essential features of the topography are also sketched. Final section selected topography, relative strength of the cost of various schemes. For the recognition, following instruments are adapted: a small theodolite and successful for the measurement of the angle, prismatic compass for the measurement of bearings, steel tape, okay, Android barometer for ascending evaluation, okay, heliotrope of the invisibility, uh, binocular, another drawing instrument and materials, okay, guide ladders, creepers, ropes for climbing the trees. Okay, these are the very important. Selection of the triangular station. Second one, selection of depend upon the basic following. This one, triangulation set should be intervisible. For the purpose, they should be placed most elevated ground, such as top of the hill. They should be from a well-shaped triangle. Okay, station should be easily accessible. Okay, they should be selected length of the site either small or large. Okay, they should be commanding station situation to the service control subsidiary triangle and possible extension principal system. Okay, the heavily wooden country the station is located for clearly and cutting of the building of the tower minimum. Okay, station should be situated site not passes over the town and factories. Okay, this important of this one. Okay, then we go for the intervisibility height. Okay,